ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्लोका 21। सप्ताहेन श्रुतं चैतत् सर्वधा मुक्तिदायकं सनकाद्यै पुरा प्रोक्तं नारदाय दयापरैः। सप्ताहेन श्रुतं चैतत्। सप्ता means 7. Hena means together. Shrutam means listen. Chaitad, whoever is doing. Saptahena Shrutam Chaitad. That means whoever is listening for 1 week continuously. Sarvadha Muktidayagam. Sarvadha means all together. Mukti means liberation. Dayagam means attain. Sarvadha Muktidayagam means they will definitely attain moksha or liberation from samsara. Saptakena Shrutam Chaitad Sarvadha Muktidayagam. That means whoever is listening to Bhagavata completely within a duration of 1 week, definitely they will confer to the liberation from samsara. Sanakadye pura proktam. Sanaka means one of the kid of Brahma. Brahma has 4 sons. Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan, Sanat Kumaran. So, Adye means the with, along with. Pura means previously. Proktam, prescribed. Sanakadi Pura Proktam. That means Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan and Sanat Kumaran, they are the munis who were the sons of Narada, and they have already prescribed this Bhagavata previously. Naradaya Dayaparaihi. Naradaya to Narada. Daya means mercy. Paraihi means the with compassionate, with love. Naradaya Dayaparaki. That means they have with lot of compassion and with happy or mercy, that sages has already told Narada. Sanakadye Pura Proktam Naradaya Dayaparaki. Formally, it was prescribed to Narada Muni by the compassionated sages headed by Sanaka about the Bhagavata. What did they tell the Narada? They told that just by listening Bhagavata for 1 week completely itself will give us the moksha. That is a very big achievement, because within a week it is not possible to get a mukti for the whole yuga. It is very tough to get the mukti, because we have to go under the cycle of birth and death to attain moksha. But the easiest way is listening to Bhagavata 1 week, which is called the Saptangam, where we will attain the moksha. Saptakena Shrutam Chaitad Sarvadha Muktidayagam Sanakadye Pura Proktam Naradaya Dayaparaihi. Formerly, it was prescribed to Narada by the compassionate sages headed by Sanaka that listening to Bhagavata completely within a duration of 1 week definitely confer the liberation from samsara. Saptakena Shrutam Chaitad Sarvadha Muktidayagam Sanakadyai Pura Proktam Naradaya Dayaparaihi. Thank you.